Good morning students. Today we discussed about security measures of standard 12 subject computer. Security measures to provide various security threats. Many security threats are taken. Let us discuss some of them. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a computer program that decides prevent and taken action to remove the malicious code like virus, worms and Trojan horse from the infected system. To protect your computer, you need good antivirus software. A software without antivirus can easily for targeted by an infection can be extremely worried. First, we discussed about virus. Virus is a software program. When it's entered in our computer, it affects our data files, created unnecessary copies of file and stuck the computer or network. The most common example of entering virus in our computer is email. Sometimes we read I love you in our email account. So we get excited and quickly click on that email. So that time virus are entered in our computer and affected our computer data or system. So we need antivirus software. Many antivirus software are available in the market. Without antivirus software, a system can easily targeted by an infection. So antivirus software is very useful to protect our computer. Firewall. The most common used network protection here between the company's network and the outside world is a firewall. To put a device that is a router. The privacy goal of firewall is to keep intruders away from the company's e-commerce information. It ensures that the company's crucial data is kept safe and not accessed by the intruders. A firewall protects the local network against the following: email services that sometimes create problem, undisable material like photos, videos, etc. entering in local network, unauthorized person going access to local network, unauthorized data or information leaving the company's network, block the traffic from outside world to the local network, prevent from any type of network attack. Secret socket layer. User wants to their data to be protected when in transfer or a public network. SSL protocol is used for securing web transaction on the internet. It was developed by Netscape to identify whether a site is secured. A security logo is present on the screen. The secure site address starts from HTTPS rather than HTTP. Secret socket layer means SSL. That is a protocol developed by Netscape. User can pay the amount using credit card, so they want their data to be protected. To identify whether the site is secure, a security logo displayed on the home page of the site that indicate the site is secure, and the name of the site started with HTTPS rather than HTTP.